Conrad ke sang ma mentri rang ba gejala haka khatwei thrik no pra aja arpusan ulalai banjurep ya kejingshna ya Mawkhanu football stadium ka bedairu ka football stadium ka behe tam na pedeng ki wei pat hakari India hi brok away haka ni kejingjurep lai don langru da uba weilat miki shilla mentri bedai khmi ya katanat sports ka sarkar jilla lem ki officer ba ki wei pat u mentri rang ba ulaong ba kani ka football stadium kan de kejingtei ba pau khmat ka jilla pat binra ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka jilla ka be football ba kumta kan de kejing ai men sia men kin tiu kini ka kamele akai shu ha kini ka jing jurep u mentri rang ba ulalam Khmat ki wei pat man the Dewbilat hi Paīa ha not stand kini ka stadium kum ka dak ka jing bo nong rem kat ba father Richard Majau pat ulakat khu ye kini ka jing tai
aware that the Honorable Finance Minister, Madam Nirmala Sitharamanji, had laid the foundation stone for this project. But today the construction work has started. And therefore we felt it most appropriate that we need the blessings from the Almighty to ensure that this project goes in the right direction and is completed on time. And therefore we have requested Father Richard Majau, who has come and blessed the entire work that's going on here. And we also, along with Minister and myself, have participated in this entire process where we have also poured some of the cement and the concrete with our own hands into the first foundation of the north stand. And we're very excited about this project. This is a very important project for us. And as I said, this will put us right at the national as well as the global map of soccer and football. And we're hopeful that this will not just be a stadium for the state alone, but it will be a stadium which will be seeing very large and very important matches at the national as well as the global level taking place. And it's not just a stadium out here. As you're aware, there's also going to be the football academy, which will be right next to it, which will be run by the Northeast United FC, as well as we'll have other facilities around this entire area. So it's a very important project for us, and we are hopeful that this will be a very important game changer for the entire football soccer scenario in the state of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya